We came prepared. We got a fan, a bug spray, lighter, Doritos, rice. What do we got? We got Coke, coffee, hot dog, steak, hamburger. Stopped at Walgreens right after they opened, on our way here and get some nice easy light charcoal. It's on sale. We should have stopped at McDonald's or somewhere, Dunkin' Donuts or something on the way here and got a little breakfast. But we just blew right by all that stuff. So now we're going to cook some early stuff. It's okay. This will be better than the stuff we would have bought at McDonald's. The play area, which is closed right now. Some visitors from Colorado. Here's the parking area. You can see there's lots of parking here. Nice bathrooms. Lots of nice showers here. Might as well take a little bit more video while I'm here. You can see it's like, I don't know, probably 9 o'clock or something on a Saturday morning. And man, there's nobody here. I was surprised. We're so used to go to the springs and stuff over close to Orlando. And man, some days, if you're not in line at like 5 or 6 o'clock, you don't know if you're going to get in, you know? Traffic is backed up all the way down the street out of the entrance. Here we are on Atlantic Avenue. Showers, handicap parking, bathrooms. If you're coming down from Daytona Beach, you would turn left into here. We went down off of 95 South, came across couple miles down to the south of here, turn in from the right, you know. When you're coming up the street, all you see is a lot of houses and stuff down here. And you might be thinking, what, there's a park here? But for sure there is. The entrance isn't really visible until you get right on it. So if Google is telling you you're like 0.2 miles away and you don't see it, don't panic. See right here, you got houses. And then you see that big, tall, circular building kind of in the background that looks like something from Men in Black with a flying saucer on top of it. I told my wife, yeah, back in the 60s and 70s, man, that was like futuristic Florida design on the beach here. And then, until you get right up here on the entrance, you got that covered walkway over the road there. And if you see that, you'll know you're here. Like I say, this is our first time here, so I don't know what it's like every day around here, but they open at like like 5 o'clock a.m. I think the park opens. So we got here around 8, and there was hardly anybody here on a Saturday. Definitely, if you're thinking about coming out here, though, based on our experience, pretty nice. I think right now that sign said there's some renovations and stuff going on, so some of the picnic tables and stuff that they normally have accessible, and the grills and stuff, I don't know if you can actually get to all of it right now, but pretty nice. Men's and women's bathrooms, or CRs as we Filipinos like to call them. And Filipino by marriage, so. You got the handicap parking right here, close to the beach. Yeah, see. Right now, some of this is closed because of storm damage. They're trying to rebuild a lot of this stuff along the shore here. And you see the neighbors got their nice little pool there. That's cute. But normally, I guess a lot of this stuff here would be open, but it's not right now. More bathrooms. Lots of nice showers. The weather's pretty warm too when we came up and washed up our feet earlier. Probably just because we're in the middle of summer and it's 90, 95 degrees every day. And my wife has got the grill fired up. If this was a true Filipino outing, of course, we'd have brought some nice sweet spaghetti and mango float and stuff. But there's just the two of us. And there you go. It's just a little walk around.